What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Lando. Success to go is whenever you come to my channel, leave knowing something that you didn't know before you came here. So we're switching it up. I am using a new microphone, something upgraded. So let me know if I sound good. So when I'm starting to do my vlogs, since a lot of people been complaining when I do my vlogs or in the airport, Lando, get a microphone. So I have a wireless microphone. Let me know if y'all like that. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. In this video, I'm just really going to freestyle it. We're going to talk about what to expect with this upcoming week, what's going to go on with the market. Let's get it. So first we're starting with Moomoo. Shout out to Moomoo, get you some free stocks with them. Why is the stock market falling? Main thing is rising interest rates. Jerome Powell just basically raised it again, another 75 basis points, and that's just crazy to go. It's to pull inflation back down to 2%, which is not happening anytime soon, and you literally are having all-time lows. The S&P ended Friday 23% down from its record of 4,700 so and things keep on falling. A decline of 20% or more, a widely used definition of a bear market, has occurred of the 42 years going back to the 1980s, or about once every 5 years, and we are down a lot further than that. So we're definitely in a bear market. We're definitely in a recession. People want to know what's ahead. Many market veterans are bracing for further volatility. The Fed and its chairman Jerome Powell signaled after September meeting that policymakers intend to keep raising interest rates aggressively into next year and to not cut them. So it's just non-stop fear. So the first thing we need to see is what's happening this week. Is anything popping off on Monday, Tuesday? The primary thing that's actually popping is on Friday. The U.S. economic calendar gets a little busier this week with data on durable goods, consumer confidence, and home sales due. That's the big day to watch, and that will be on Friday when August personal income and spending report. That includes the Fed preferred inflation gauge drop. So we will cover that to see how that data come out, how much will it affect the stock market and the prices going down. And you can always look at cryptocurrency, because since stocks basically stop over the weekend, crypto go 24 hours non-stop, and we are down in the last day. We're not down bad, but this is a sign, an indicator, in my opinion, not a financial advisor, just a black brother giving y'all some game, that tomorrow is going to probably start down 50 points to 100. It's not going to be bad. It's not going to be another 200, 300. I don't actually believe the market is going to do that. Now, when you look at the stock market, right, you want to look at history and how far is it going down. Because if we go year to date, you see we started up here, boom, this is where we at now. The problem is we are now under our lows that we had back in June. I didn't believe we was going to hit it back. I didn't believe we was going to come back here. I thought we was going to get to 30,000 and get close to it. But now we got a lot more fear that's calculating in. And with a lot more fear, that means a lot more opportunity, because if we match these lows, can we go back lower all the way down here to under 27,000? And if our high is all the way up here, that means there's going to be a lot of opportunity to be able to make so much more money, change generations of wealth. And y'all know what I'm going to be doing. I am definitely going to be buying. So first we'll do on the crypto side, and I'm going to let the Patreon members know exactly how I'm going to do it. I'm going to probably start putting in some buy limit orders. The first one is going to probably be $1,000 in Ethereum if it hit 1,000. I'll probably do $1,005 a coin, because it's going to probably teeter down to the 1,000 area. But I do want to get some ETH if it keep on going down. So I would just have a buy limit right there. Bitcoin, if Bitcoin hit under 18,500, I'll probably put another 1,000 into that over there. And you know, I'm going to buy some more Crow, especially if it go back down to 10 cents. Now, if we go to the stocks, which you can get you up to 15. Actually, let me bring it back. Let me talk to y'all. Right now, Moomoo is doing a promotion because the market is going down. So it's the best time to get free stocks at a very low price, because you're going to get free money when it actually go up. You can get up to 15. I don't even have enough hands, but you can get up to 15 free stocks. All you have to do is sign up with my link in the bio. Once you do your first deposit of $100, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. And if you do a deposit of over $2,000, you're going to get 10 more free stocks. But a disclaimer, you do have to keep the money in there for, I believe, 60 days now, because people was messing up and getting free stocks and selling it, you know. It's always somebody gonna mess it up, you know. Somebody always gonna mess it up. But with the stock market, I just bought Google last week because it went under $100. I'm gonna buy some more Google. I said I'm actually gonna start buying some Robinhood randomly. You have to watch that video on that one. Definitely some more Tesla. Anything under 300 is good. And a few other things. But mainly this week, all you're gonna do is wake up. We're gonna have some more fear. We're gonna have some rallies in crypto. But mainly, I don't think we're gonna keep on crashing too crazy. But if we do, you just have to have a buy-in position, a buy-in alert, the mindset. Look, if Tesla go down to $250, we need to buy in. If Tesla go down to $225, we need to buy in. This is the best time to be greedy when everybody is very fearful. That's what the market is doing. That's all. Let me know how the mic work. I would be pissed off if it just like didn't record it. So it's better because I can sit back like this and talk. So we're going to upgrade some things. We got the studio upstairs. It's going to be crazy. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That's your boy Lando Sess. Talk to you guys soon.